Hello, I'm Dr. Bradley Tompkins, Clinical Director at Dr. Brad's Laser and Cosmetic Clinic in Bristol, where we deliver Harley Street standards at Bristol prices. I'm both an NHS GP and a highly qualified and experienced aesthetic medicine practitioner, with an expertise in cosmetic dermatology. In this video, I want to talk to you about the AQ Skin Solutions skincare range, which is one of the few that I actually recommend. AQ skincare products are used by people aged over 21 who are trying to delay or reverse the signs of skin aging, or by people who wish to enhance their experience and results after a dermatological procedure. AQ products are unique in that they contain a specific combination and concentration of genuine human skin growth factors. Those growth factors have been patented and are only found in AQ products. These are not available on the high street. So why are growth factors so important? Well, growth factors are proteins naturally produced by the body that promote the growth, organization and maintenance of cells and tissues. Supplementing the diminished production of growth factors with the application of AQ products has been shown to help reverse, heal and regenerate prematurely aged and damaged skin. AQ Skin Solutions focuses on a scientific and natural approach to skincare. AQ Skin Solutions growth factor technology was originally discovered through wound healing and cell regeneration therapy in third-degree burn victims. Growth factors were isolated and purified by employing advanced cell sorting technology with stem cell research technology. These screened and immortalized cell lines produce high-purity, stable fibroblast growth factors that are naturally produced by the body's own fibroblast cells. AQ's patented technology is designed to unleash the potential of reversing the cell aging process and boost the body's natural repair process. At the time of filming, there are 4 core products that I promote in the AQ range, and they are applied topically on the surface of the skin. The key component in all AQ products is human fibroblast conditioned media, which is a complex containing multiple active growth factors that are found in young, healthy skin. The key growth factors are included in varying concentrations in the different products, but include transforming growth factor beta 1, 2 and 3, platelet-derived growth factor, granulocyte monocyte colony stimulating factor, and interleukins 3, 6, 7 and 8. The 4 key products in the AQ range are, in order of descending concentration, AQ Recovery Serum, AQ Intensive Moisturising Repair Masks, AQ Active Serum and finally AQ Eye Serum. AQ Recovery Serum is a pharmaceutical grade serum only for use in clinic directly after procedures such as laser skin resurfacing, or for example as part of a G-FIT or growth factor induction therapy treatment, whereby I apply a dermastamp to the skin to enhance immediate absorption of this high concentration and highly active serum. AQ report that the Recovery Serum contains the highest concentration of natural human growth factors, cytokines and interleukins on the market today. The AQ Recovery Serum can be used to promote healing, skin rejuvenation, antioxidant effects, promote skin nutrition and circulation, collagen and elastin synthesis and skin renewal. The serum can also reduce the appearance of scarring, post-procedure downtime, fine lines and wrinkles, inflammation and irritation. The intensive moisturising repair masks can form part of a home use post-treatment recovery programme used daily for the first 4 days after treatment, or can be used as part of your regular home skincare regime, once or twice a week as part of your personal regime. Hydrating and deeply nourishing, this hydrogel mask contains AQ's patented growth factor formula. Those growth formulas have been clinically developed to match in identical form the growth factors found within the human body. The intensive mask increases cell and blood vessel production as well as collagen and elastin production for a youthful complexion with healthy, radiant skin. Each mask comes in 2 parts, one for each half of the face, for easy application, and should be left in place for 20 minutes before removing and rinsing. AQ Active Serum is a highly concentrated blend of active proteins and peptides, which entails growth factor, cytokines, interleukins, antioxidants, and plant extracts, and is topically applied to the entire face and neck to support the skin's ability to repair damage and restore a more youthful appearance. It's the product that can equally be used for twice daily application post-procedure to promote recovery and best outcomes, or can be used twice daily in a routine home skincare regime. Results and effects should be assessed after 6 weeks regular twice daily use. Finally, we've got the AQ Eye Serum, which is a sensitive eye gel with active growth factor proteins, cytokines, interleukins, antioxidants and plant extracts, which is designed to rejuvenate the appearance of the special periorbital area and eyelids, targeting bilirubin contributing to dark circles under the eyes. It should be applied to the eyelid skin instead of the active serum once at night for 1 week before proceeding to twice daily application if tolerated, for at least 6 weeks before starting to assess results. In summary, you've got an overview of the unique proprietary AQ Skin Solutions technology and skincare range and how it's used to stimulate your skin for a more healthy and perhaps younger appearance. Further scientific papers and peer-reviewed research on these products are in the publishing pipeline. You can read more about AQ products at the official website www.aqskinsolutions.com. To find exclusive deals and savings on the AQ Skin Solutions range, please click the link to the relevant webpage in the video description below. Now, if you want to get access to the AQ Skin Solutions range and my exclusive money-saving deals, but you don't want to attend in person for a consultation, free virtual consultations with me are available via video call to discuss your suitability for the AQ skincare range before I can prescribe them for you, and home delivery options are also available. However, if you are ready to book with me for an initial face-to-face consultation about AQ Skin Solutions or any other treatment, please call my secretary on 07588 971425, and I look forward to welcoming you to my laser and cosmetic clinic very soon.